Health authorities are on alert as the Nipah virus resurfaces overseas, prompting the health department to assure the public that the Philippines remains prepared and that preventive measures are already in place. Here's the report.
A disease is once again raising concern. That disease is the Nipah virus. 2 healthcare workers have tested positive for the Nipah virus at a hospital in India. They are currently under observation. The question now, is the Philippines prepared? According to the Department of Health, screening and monitoring are already in place for travelers arriving in the country through airports and seaports.
Pwede nilang sabihin ng isang eroplano or ng isang bapor pag napansin nila na medyo may kakaiba, hindi pa papasukin ng bansa natin yun. Para silang immigration pero for health.
According to the World Health Organization, the Nipah virus originates from fruit bats. The virus can be transmitted through foods or drinks contaminated by bats. It can also spread through direct contact with a person exposed to the virus. Some of its symptoms resemble flu-like illness. In severe cases, it may lead to brain swelling, coma, or even death. There is no vaccine for the Nipah virus. Following the new cases reported in India, nearby countries are also tightening their health measures. Thailand has installed thermal scanners at major airports. Meanwhile, Taiwan has proposed classifying the Nipah virus under Category 5 diseases, considered high-risk illnesses requiring special control measures. However, the Department of Health says there is no need for alarm as the virus is not new.
We don't see a need because we always watch our borders. Kilala natin siya, kaya nating bantayan.
The first recorded Nipah virus case in the Philippines was reported in 2014 in Sultan Kudarat. 17 people were infected, allegedly after consuming horse meat. At present, there are no reported Nipah virus cases in the country.
Maliban dun sa pagkain, kung tayo ay mapalapit sa mga hayop na may sakit, lalo na yung kita man yung mga hayop na medyo matamlay, may sakit, wag na ho tayong lumapit kasi maaaring dyan natin makukuha yung mga sakit tulad ng Nipah virus.
Kapatid Mobile Journalist Mary Mon Reyes, we are One News.